Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Crack with Mahi. In today's video, we are discussing about the CTT February 2026 Paper 2 Science Answer Key. If you appeared for the exam, this video will help you check your answers, estimate your score, and understand the correct explanation in an easy way. So watch till the end to know the correct answers and analysis of important questions asked in the science paper. It will be useful for the tomorrow's CTT aspirants to solve the exam. So let's start. Here you are provided with China rose indicator. In the first test tube, you add 2 drops of solution A and observe no change in the color of the solution. Then in the second test tube, 2 drops of solution B and get green color. And in the third test tube, you add 2 drops of solution C and get magnetar dark pink color. We know that we are having no color means China rose is a natural indicator. No color means it will be neutral, neutral, neutral. 2 options are there. Green color means green color is for what? Base. Then red color is for acid. So your option 2 is the correct answer. The next second question, statement 1, an object can have non-zero mechanical energy but zero momentum. Statement 2, an object can do zero work even if the force acting on the object is non-zero. So here non-zero mechanical energy if it is producing means it should be having some momentum. Zero momentum will not be there. Mechanical like a fan. So statement 1 is false and the statement 2 is correct. This is the right answer. Question number 63. The identical metal containers are taken. Container A is painted black and container B is painted white on the outside surface. See, A container को पूरा black से अंदर और बाहर paint कर दिया है. Black is absorbing energy. We all know that we don't wear black dresses in summer. So it is absorbing energy fastly and it will release energy also fastly. And the container B is painted white on the outside surface. So here step 1, both the containers are kept in full sunlight, and step 2, after few hours both the containers should kept in shady region. So container B will gain heat faster than container A, whereas container A will lose heat. No, white will not absorb heat fast. A will absorb heat fast and lose heat fast than container B. So second option is your right answer. The next, why it is difficult to cut with a blunt knife as compared to a sharp one. So blunt knife means mund chaku. It is compared to a sharp one. Sharp one means, see what happens if we are using blunt knife. What happens there? See, अगर कुछ cut करना रहा तो what we will do? We will put a pressure. Pressure तो ज़्यादा होगा. Then यहाँ पर area of contact ज़्यादा होगा. आप उसको पकड़ कर उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा घिसेंगे. So area of contact increases. Which of the following can be used to increase the strength of an electromagnet? See, electromagnet is connected to electric field, current. So current जैसे जैसे increase होता है, magnetic field उसके around increase होता है. So strength of electromagnetic increases. तो इसका option होगा increasing of the flow of current. Next, sorry, here only. Which of the following is a set of organs that do not contribute to the digestive process? Digestive process में जो जो हमारे organs it is not participating. See, esophagus से सिर्फ food pass होता है and saliva से food digest होता है, but हम जब निगलते हैं esophagus से just it will pass. The next, large intestine में it will after wastage it is stored. Then rectum is also not used in digestive process. So first option is your correct option. The next question number 67. Read the following statement. Earthworm breathes through the skin and does not have lungs. हाँ ये तो correct है. Then next, tadpole breathes through gills and does not have lungs. ये भी option correct है. Snake breathes through the skin and does not have lungs. No, skin breathes through the skin but it is having lungs. So A and B are true. Read the following and identify X, Y, Z and W R respectively. The part which produces pollen grains. कौन सा part produce करता है pollen grains? So we know that the part anther will produce pollen grains and female gamete is ovary and female reproductive part is stigma and the part of flower which attracts insect is petals. Okay. Then your second option is the correct one. The next one. Read the following statement. Assertion A and reason are. Sewage treatment is essential to prevent diseases. And that's ये correct है. Sewage treatment करना चाहिए क्योंकि कूड़े कचरे से हमको क्या होता है, diseases होते हैं और death भी हो सकता है. Reason R, sewage is a solid waste. Yeah, no, sewage is not a solid waste. Sewage is a liquid waste. Okay. Sewage क्या है, एक liquid waste है. So A is correct and B is R is false. 2 is the correct option. Then read the following statement. Spiracles and stomata are pores through which insects and leaves exchange gases respectively. Okay, yes, spiracles और stomata क्या है, उसके ऊपर pores रहते हैं, through which insects and leaves exchange gases respectively. Right, it is the correct option. Spiracles is in an insect are more in number compared to stomata in a leaf. No, this is not exactly correct. So, both stomata and spiracles are present on the lower surface of leaves and insects will respectively. C is correct. Stomata and spiracle are present on lower surface. ये तो A and C क्या होगा आपका correct हो जाएगा. The next one is A pushes the blood into pulmonary artery. हाँ, सो हार्ट में क्या होता है, हमारे डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड मिलता है. डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहाँ पर मिलेगा, डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड विल हैविंग इन राइट वेंट्रिकल. ओके, सो राइट वेंट्रिकल से कहाँ जाएगा, वो पल्मोनरी आर्टरीज में जाएगा. देन नेक्स्ट उसके बाद पल्मोनरी वेन्स में, देन लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, देन उसके बाद राइट ऑरिकल्स आउटा से हमारे बॉडी में ऑक्सीजनेटेड प्लस पास होगा. सो सेकेंड इज द राइट ऑप्शन. The next, read the following statements. Hypotheses become theories, which in turn become laws. No, hypothesis cannot become theory. Hypothesis से theories नहीं होते, फिर laws नहीं होते. Laws तो proof के साथ होना चाहिए. Scientific laws such as law of gravitation are absolute. No, these both options are wrong. 72 A and R both are false. Scientific laws को and as law of gravitation are absolute, not absolute. It is practically tested. Concrete to obsolete. Okay. Sheena writes the following statement in her notebook. Cactus is a desert plant. तो ये ऑब्जर्वेशन इन्फरेंस का क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस 2-3 आते ही हैं सीटेट में. कैक्टस इज अ डेजर्ट प्लांट. यस, कैक्टस इज अ डेजर्ट प्लांट, ये हम ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. डेजर्ट प्लांट इज हैविंग स्मॉल साइज लीव्स. यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो एन ऑब्जर्वेशन. This is observation. This is observation. Small size leaves help in reducing loss of water. So small size leaves क्यों रहते हैं, reduce water को reduce करने के लिए होते हैं. So this observation and inference is the right option. क्योंकि 2 observation है, एक उसमें option एक ही है inference वाला. So that will be the right. Which of the following cannot be regarded as a testable question? See, testable question means the answer should be there. Testable question के लिए. So how does flu affect? Flu effect कैसे होगा? This answer will be given. When will fossil fuels run out? ये कुछ question नहीं होगा क्योंकि when will fossil fuel run out? We also don't know. It depends upon how we are using it, how we are keeping it. We are not wasting it. Read the excerpt given below. A teacher arranged a fun trip to Qutub Minar. The learners saw the iron pillar in the Qutub complex. The teachers asked the learners note down the details. So ये पूरा एक situation दिया गया है. यहाँ पर टीचर और स्टूडेंट्स कुतुब मीनार गए हैं. एक क्या क्या देख रहे हो लिख लो. Then she is asking observation. What they have observed, she was asking. तो कुतुब मीनार ये क्या हो गया, क्लासिफिकेशन हो गया. देन उसके बाद क्या करो बोल रही है टीचर, शी इज टेलिंग टू ऑब्जर्व. व्हाट दे आर ऑब्जर्विंग एन आयरन पिलर. आयरन पिलर रेस्ट हो रहा है. रेस्ट को क्या कर रहे हैं, शी इज कनेक्टिंग टू द हाइपोथेसिस व्हाट इज गिवन. सो दिस विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. Which of the following does not satisfy process validity of science curriculum as recommended by the NCF 2005? As recommended by the NCF 2005, the science curriculum is students discussing the possible outcome of connecting a piece of rubber, hairpin and lead to open ends of the electric circuit. So ये सारे options read करने के बाद not, they are asking not means students involved in, see, science and national curriculum framework is telling for the students to encourage science, to encourage experimental activities. So list of elements will not be the answer. The science textbooks often include interesting anecdotes from the past. One such story is that of accidental discovery of silk in China. So ये भी यहाँ पर भी एक content दिया हुआ है. what is happening there. So to develop an understanding of nature of science, yes, the student will develop the understanding of nature of science. See, historical perspective और science को connect कर रहे हैं, so this will be the right option to develop an appreciation of how science is socially and culturally embedded. हाँ, socially and culturally embedded, yes, social and culture is related. Then to reduce the burden of science content by including fun stories. No, this is not the option. Fun stories. A, B, C is the right option. The next question. Which of the following tasks would not contribute to developing scientific temper and students? See, यहाँ पर आपको observe करना है, not दिया हुआ है. Not should, you should observe not in the question. So, emphasizing historical aspects of the development of scientific concept. Yes, scientific temper develop होगा scientific concept से. Encouraging this reading out the tenets of nature of science. Read करने से nature of science का यहाँ पर साइंटिफिक टेम्पर डेवलप कहाँ से होगा? रीड करने से सिर्फ दिमाग में बैठेगा, बट इफ यू आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिकली देन इट विल बी द गुड one of developing scientific temper. So, which of the following is the most appropriate strategy to introduce physical properties, metals and non-metals? So, physical property and chemical properties, if you are showing the students first, before starting the chapter, what we will do? We will initiate the discussion. We'll connect their lives to the बुक. ओके, सो मेटल एंड नॉन मेटल्स आप कहाँ देखे हो, कहाँ यूज़ करे हो, एंड हाउ यू हैव सीन. आपके साइकिल में चेन होता है, वो मेटल है, नॉन मेटल है. यू यूजिंग ब्रशेस, इट इज़ मेटल और नॉन. ये डिस्कशन से हम क्या करेंगे, क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज द इंक्वायरी बेस्ड अप्रोच. ओके, next one is read the following statement. Systematic experimentation needs to be introduced in upper primary stage to verify theoretical principle. Okay, see here, systematic experimentation, theoretical principles को हम क्या नहीं apply कर सकते upper primary stage में. So they cannot understand that level of thing. Activities and experimental evidence we can show. They are giving science activities, we can show by doing that. We can allow them to do also, but most concepts should be arrived by the inductive approach, right? This is the correct answer. S2 and S3 are true and S1 is wrong, which is the option S2. S1 is wrong, second option. Okay, so next one, before beginning to formally teach a chapter on force in class 6, a teacher holds a discussion in which she asks children to imagine what they wish to do, keep a ball rolling on the lawn very long distance. So here, so before beginning a formally teach chapter force का chapter start करने से पहले what a teacher will do. So to evaluate student, start करने से पहले evaluation थोड़ी ना होगा. So to assist students per preconceptions, yes, this can be right. पहले से जो connect कर सकते हैं हम. To determine the pedagogical strategy to be adopted in to teach the concept, yes, pedagogical strategy हर concept में apply ही करनी होगी. To enable define force, start कर रहे जब force define करो तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा. So B and C is the right option. Here, fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So, at the onset of puberty, the size of ovaries in the female. See, onset of puberty, ovaries का size क्या होगा? Large होगा. Enlarges and produce dash. And what it will produce? See, जो female ovaries produce करने के बाद हमारे पास estrogen produce होता है. Okay. Then next, testis कौन सा हार्मोन produce करता है? Testosterone. Then next, the production of these hormones is controlled by. सारे hormones कौन control करता है? Pituitary gland. So what will be the answer? Enlarges estrogen. C, third will be the option. A circuit comprising three identical bulbs on a switch is connected in different arrangements as given below. In which arrangement will the bulb glow the brightest? See, arrangement B, all bulbs in parallel. See, all bulbs in parallel मतलब सारे यहाँ पर कनेक्ट होंगे, फिर एक कॉमन यहाँ पर एक वोल्टेज कनेक्ट होगा. सो हाँ, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा बल्ब ग्लो होगा क्योंकि वी आर कनेक्टिंग नाउ डेज इन आवर होम्स पैरेलल कनेक्शन. एक स्विच ऑन करने से वहाँ का भी दो स्विचेस रख रहे हैं. सो रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट. Read the following statement. Anodizing is a method to prevent metal from corrosion. ये तो मैंने अपने चैनल पर भी डाला है. about galvanization. This is not about anodizing, this is about galvanization. corrosion से आयरन को हम जिंक से कवर करते हैं, रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज भी डाली है मैंने, आयरन से जिंक को कवर करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज galvanization. sacrificial protection of metals है ये. Then coating iron with a layer of zinc, this is all about galvanization. So both A and R are false. Next question, why do silver articles turn black when kept in the open for a few days? हाँ, सिल्वर जैसे हम आयरन को ऑक्सीजन मॉइस्चर से रिएक्ट करता है, इट विल रस्ट, वैसे ही सिल्वर अगर सल्फाइड से रिएक्ट करता है तो इट विल टर्न इनटू ब्लैक. सो विच इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? ड्यू टू रिएक्शन विथ हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड प्रेजेंट इन एयर. दिस विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Identify A, B, C and D in the following table. So अमोनियम क्लोराइड कैसे फॉर्म होगा? एसिड बेस कौन सा रिएक्ट करेंगे हम? HCl इज योर एसिड. एसिड को हम किससे रिएक्ट करना है? हमें बेस से रिएक्ट करना है. सो वी आर रिएक्टिंग विथ NH4. NH4 से रिएक्ट करने से विल गेट NH4Cl. देन नेक्स्ट HNO3 को हम रिएक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से रिएक्ट करने से इट विल बिकम NaNO3. सो NaNO3 आ जाएगा ये. तो सेकेंड, हाँ ये हो गया. द नेक्स्ट HCl और NaOH बोथ आर रिएक्टेड विथ एसिड एंड बेस, मतलब फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. Then next, read the following statement. A few spoon of sugar are dissolved in water to prepare concentrated sugar syrup. See, sugar को water में dissolve करने से sugar syrup बनता है. ये तो physical change है. फिर sugar solid से liquid में convert हो रहा है. So first one is the physical change. The next, sugar syrup is heated on low flame till it caramelizes. ये क्या होगा? एक chemical change हो जाएगा. So caramelize होने पर क्या होगा? उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड थोड़ा सा डेवलप होगा. So this will be the chemical change. The ion of an element has two positive charges. The ion of an element has two positive charges. The mass number of the atom is 27. So 27 means it is having two positive charges, means इसमें से दो इलेक्ट्रॉन को हमें माइनस करना होगा. फिर दो इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाएंगे, मतलब we will get it by 25 हो जाएगा. So the number of neutrons is 14. तो number of neutrons 14 है. 25 में से 14 माइनस कर दो तो this will be the total. और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स को प्लस का क्या होगा? मास नंबर होगा हमारा. ये माइनस करने पे हमारा आंसर आएगा 11. The next, ray of light travels from air into three media A, B and C with different optical densities. See, different optical densities है, light travel कर रहा है. So speed of light, change in frequency, wavelength. ये क्या है? हमको इसका तीनों का proportion पता होना चाहिए. So how we can do this? We can apply the formula. So the formula is speed is equals to frequency into wavelength. So speed is equals to frequency into wavelength. Okay. So speed is equals to frequency into wavelength. देखिए यहाँ पर ये speed और wavelength is directly proportional. So यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Directly proportional मतलब ये decrease हो रहा है तो ये भी क्या होगा? Decrease होगा. So both are decreasing means this will be remaining constant. तो x decreases कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर है. तो ये y क्या हो रहा है? Remain constant हो रहा है. तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आपका 2 आएगा. दिस डिक्रीज. अब यहाँ पर देखो ये वाला इंक्रीज हो रहा है, लैम्डा भी यहाँ पर क्या होगा? मीडियम बी में इंक्रीज हो रहा है. देखिए फिर यहाँ पर फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है? नो चेंजेस. इन दोनों अगर वेरी हो गए तो वन विल बी रिमेनिंग कॉन्स्टेंट. The next 90th question, growth and branching of roots in the A horizon and B horizon is advantages of absorption of water and minerals. So A horizon, B horizon में क्या होगा? So A horizon means this is the top soil. Okay, top soil में हम क्या करते हैं? Cultivate करते हैं. So it will absorb the water. The next second layer, B horizon means it will be the second layer. Second layer में भी हम क्या करते हैं? it stores minerals and water. उसको हम subsoil बोलते हैं. Then third क्या होगा? Roots spreading in both layers help plants absorb more water and nutrients. तो roots दोनों लेयर में spread होते हैं. उस पानी क्या होते हैं? absorb करके branch को develop होने के लिए help करते हैं. So situation A क्या है? मुझे correct लग रहा है. C horizon is rich in humus which makes soil soft and porous. So sea horizon is rich in humus which makes soil soft and porous. मतलब this is normally false because sea horizon में हमें क्या मिलेगा, सिर्फ पत्थर तो मिलेगा. So A, situation A is correct, and where it is, situation A is correct. Only situation A is true. Fourth option I think it is the right. ये फिर भी मुझे थोड़ा सा doubt है. Okay, doubt question. Thank you for your cooperation, and calculate the marks and comment down in the comment box about how much you scored in the science paper. Inshallah, I'll be doing maths analysis of paper in the next video. If you want the analysis of paper of maths in the next video, please comment down to comment down as yes, maths analysis paper. Okay, thank you so much.